Welcome back to Tech It's Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide your Microsoft Outlook calendar details. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Outlook app. Firstly, you need to open your Outlook app and click on the Calendar option, just beside the Email option. Step 2. Select the schedule that you want to hide. After going to the Calendar option, you can see all your schedules. You just simply have to click on the schedule that you want to hide. After clicking on the schedule, click on the Edit option in the top right corner. After clicking on the Edit option, you can see this Private option here. Just simply open the Private option, and after opening the Private option and saving, you have successfully hidden your Outlook calendar detail for this schedule. I hope this video helped you. If yes, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.